Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to Time to Cook. If you happen to be new here to my channel, I am Chef Christy, and if you are one of my sweet friends, welcome back. So today I am making a super easy, and when I say easy, I am talking easy and delicious chicken fajitas. Now what makes these so easy is you bake everything on a sheet tray. And I have lined this sheet tray with aluminum foil and sprayed it with some nonstick spray. I love these kind of meals. They're quick, easy, throw it in the oven, and then you've got dinner. So in this Ziploc bag here, I have right around 2.5 pounds of chicken tenderloins that I have seasoned and let them marinate. And in this bowl, I have some onions and peppers that I've also seasoned. But let me show you just how I did that. So I'm using about 2.5 pounds of the chicken tenderloins. So I'm actually going to remove this tendon here that's on the tenderloin because it's kind of a hard and tough to eat. And I'm just going to run my knife along it just to remove it. And I'm just going to slice the tenderloin in half lengthwise. Just like that. Then I have taken a Ziploc bag and folded it down, placed it in a bowl, and I'm just going to add my chicken tenderloin strips into this bag. So now I want to season my chicken. I'm going to take some olive oil and drizzle about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons. Then I have a lime here, and I'm actually going to zest this lime and juice the lime. Next, I'm going to add some adobo seasoning. Now, I got this blend at the Amish country. It just has a mix of garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, oregano, and a little bit of cayenne. So I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon, or maybe 2 teaspoons, I should say, to my chicken. And then I have 1 teaspoon here of paprika. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. And 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And the thing that's nice about a Ziploc is you can roll it up, close the bag, and then you can mix that chicken. And we're going to let this marinate for about at least an hour. So I have 2 bell peppers, and I'm going to slice them. I'm also going to add a little bit of olive oil to my onions and peppers and some of the same adobo seasoning, along with some salt and black pepper. So now I'm going to take the onions and peppers and I'm just going to pour them onto this sheet tray. And next I'm going to place my chicken on the sheet tray with the onions and peppers. So how simple was that? Now I'm going to place this sheet tray in a 400-degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. I'm going to keep my eye on it just until the chicken is completely cooked. So I have wrapped in aluminum foil some tortillas, and when there's just about 5 minutes left, I'm going to pop these in the oven just to warm them up. And there you go, 1 sheet tray chicken fajitas, super easy. I'm telling you, these chicken fajitas are phenomenal. They are so, so good. And of course, you can put whatever you want on them. I've got some shredded lettuce, some shredded cheese, sour cream, and some Pico de Gallo. Oh, you're gonna wanna give these a try. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. And as always, I will see you soon with more recipes.